Hi, beautiful souls. I'm Julia from DaSpiritual Bombs. And today I want to show you a simple but powerful way to gather your prayers, your blessings, and your intentions all in one sacred space. Your very own prayer jar. It's a practice anyone can do at home, and it's a gentle way to connect with your spirit and honor your wishes. I'll show you step by step so you can start creating your jar today and feel the magic in your life. Thank you for giving me your time. Thank you for visiting my channel. I appreciate it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the word so that everybody can get this information out. And remember to always keep your crown on, even in the real world. Thank you, and namaste.
Hey there. Today, we're diving into an amazing tool for nurturing our emotional and spiritual well being, the prayer jar. This is not just any jar, it's a sacred space where you can place your worries, hopes, and dreams. Your prayer jar is more than just glass and paper, it's a special reminder that you're never alone in your journey. Today, let's explore what this unique concept is all about. The materials, a simple jar and paper, represent something profound, the vulnerability of our hopes and dreams, paired with the strength of faith. Your prayer jar physically embodies your beliefs and serves as a reminder. Writing your prayers is a powerful act of letting go. It's like releasing your worries into the universe. As you fold each note, you're symbolically letting go of fears, inviting in peace and hope, or anything you want to share with Spirit. Fold each slip gently and place it in the jar. This simple act of sealing your thoughts in glass and faith turns your worries into a cherished conversation with the universe. Trusting the universe is key. Every prayer you place inside represents a heartfelt exchange, and knowing that Spirit carries them higher can bring a wave of peace over you. Remember, nothing is too heavy when it's in Spirit's hands. So, reflect on your dreams and give it a try. Share this lovely idea with friends or family, and let the powerful energy of the prayer jar inspire you. Over time, you'll see your jar fill with hope, with trust, with divine whispers answered in their own time. This simple ritual teaches us, when we release our worries, we make room for blessings to flow. Feel free to decorate it however you like, add stickers, write encouraging words, or paint it in your favorite color. Make it a reflection of you. Every morning, take a moment to write down a prayer. It doesn't have to be long. Keep it simple, heartfelt, and sincere. Pour your thoughts onto the paper and drop it into your jar. This daily practice helps you connect with your inner peace. The benefits are remarkable. With each prayer, you're nurturing hope and trust, reminding yourself that things will unfold in due time. So, release those worries and watch blessings flow into your life. Share your prayer jar journey in the comments. I can't wait to hear your stories. Your prayer jar physically embodies your beliefs and serves as a reminder. Writing your prayers is a powerful act of letting go. It's like releasing your worries into the universe. As you fold each note, you're symbolically letting go of fears, inviting in peace and hope. Don't forget to revisit your prayers in the jar. Looking back allows you to witness your journey and recognize how Spirit has always been there, listening and guiding you. It's a beautiful reminder of growth. So, why not start your own prayer jar? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Remember, prayer can unite us and help us navigate life's ups and downs together. Let's support one another.